I think overall we're seeing a real growth in people that are passionate about their old homes, people that are passionate about getting back into craft skills and actually working with something in their hands and something that they find a sense of accomplishment at the end instead of kind of endless emails and things like that.
In my opinion, not an official definition, but my opinion, it is the stewardship of historic places, materials and resources, and stories. So the approach of caring about what was there and thinking about what should be there in the future as well.
I think it's about getting back to our past and kind of the rich tapestry that is the built environment. So I often say that preservation is kind of the story of place, is people's imprint on a place.
So the tradespeople came together, skill sets that are dying, some almost completely dead at this point. We're trying to bring them back. And it's saying that we recognize this as part of our history, our culture, and attempting to arrest the deterioration of these and preserve them so that we have them forever in the future as a reminder of where we've been and where we're going.
We tend to approach in the West things very object-oriented. We want the thing at the end of the process. In Japan, preservation is very explicitly approached in that the process itself is the thing being preserved. So they have these national relics that are not actually places or objects, but they're the people who embody and have mastered the skills necessary to continue making those things. And so going there and seeing that really informed a lot of the way I think about preservation.
So when I was being a financial trader for a couple of years after my undergrad, I really wasn't feeling like my heart was in it. Like it didn't feel like I was doing anything good for the world or really trying to make a difference. And I really just needed something that would call to me because your job is like what you do the majority of your life. You know, you spend 40 hours plus a week doing this, so you better care about what you're gonna do. I couldn't imagine going to work every day and hating what I did. I just don't think that's any way to have a life.
I really, really loved it. I loved working with my hands. I had always been that, academic student because that's what I was told to do. And I realized I loved working with my hands. Whereas when we build those brick piers, I'm like, I built those brick piers, man. Like, that's really cool. Like, I fixed this window. It can work now. Look at how lovely it is. And seeing that was gratifying in a way that I had never really felt before.
I love carpentry work so much that even after a day of working on site, sometimes I would go down to my shop and just do a little planing because it was so soothing. The opportunity to see work accomplished is just so rewarding. It's such a dopamine hit that it really is a joy at the end of the day to see what you've accomplished and see progress coming along.
There's not enough skilled preservation practitioners, trades-minded individuals in our field right now. This is something that stays with you for your life. You can pass it down.
Look at the needs around you. Look to fulfill a need, because if you can be fulfilling a need, then you'll feel purposeful in your life. And there's an awful lot of need in the trades and in preservation work.